Hi, this is Galaxy S24 Plus and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search field enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap the open button and click to OK. Here you'll see information about your battery temperature, and in my case that's 32 degrees. And also got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage and more other infos. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.